In the heart of the desert, where burning winds whisper secrets of the past, stands a simple cube made of stone. No palace, no throne, yet billions turn toward it every day. Kings have come and gone. Empires have risen and fallen. But this house remains. Who built it? And why was it built in the middle of an empty desert? This is the powerful story of faith, sacrifice, and divine command. Thousands of years ago, the barren valley of Mecca was nothing but sand and silence. No cities, no people, no life. Allah chose His beloved prophet, Prophet Ibrahim, a.s., for a mission that would change human history forever. He was commanded to leave his wife Hajar, a.s., and his infant son, Prophet Ismail, a.s., in this empty desert. It was not easy. But Ibrahim, a.s., trusted Allah completely. And that trust would lead to the construction of the most sacred place on earth. The sun burned fiercely as Ibrahim, a.s., walked away, leaving his family behind with only a small amount of food and water. Hajar, a.s., called after him. Has Allah commanded you to do this? Ibrahim, a.s., did not turn around. He simply nodded. She replied with complete faith. Then Allah will not abandon us. This moment of trust became the foundation of something far greater than they could imagine. The sun grows, the mission begins. Years passed. The baby Ismail, a.s., grew into a strong and obedient young man. Then one day, Allah gave Ibrahim, a.s., a command. Build my house. This was not an ordinary construction. This was the first house built for the worship of Allah alone. Father and son stood together in the empty desert, ready to begin raising the sacred walls. With their own hands, Ibrahim, a.s., and Ismail, a.s., lifted heavy stones under the burning sun. There were no machines. No workers. Only faith. As they built, they made a humble dua. Our Lord, accept this from us. Indeed, you are the all-hearing, the all-knowing. Stone by stone, wall by wall, the sacred structure rose. This was the birth of the Kaaba. The completion of the eternal house. Finally, the structure was complete. A simple cube. No decoration. No luxury. But it carried the greatest purpose, to unite humanity in the worship of one God. Allah then commanded Ibrahim, a.s., call the people to pilgrimage. And miraculously, his call reached hearts across generations. Today, millions gather around the Kaaba inside Masjid al-Haram, answering that same call. A legacy that never died. Ibrahim, a.s., and Ismail, a.s., did not build just a building. They built a symbol of faith. A symbol of obedience. A symbol that would guide billions until the end of time. Even today, every Muslim in the world faces the Kaaba in prayer, fulfilling the mission started by a father and his son in a silent desert. True greatness is not in power or wealth. It is in obedience to Allah. The Kaaba teaches us that when you trust Allah completely, your actions can leave a legacy that lasts forever. From an empty desert to the center of the Muslim world, this house became the heart of faith for all humanity.